Evan, I'm wondering, from your perspective, why is a degree in leadership important?
Yeah, that's a great question. To me, my professional experience, having someone that is steeped in leadership and has been educated, to engage their people in an effective way is very important. It's empowering to your people. It produces more work, and I just think it creates belief in me as an employee. To have somebody that spurs me on and can speak into who I am as one of their employees. So I think leadership for me is quite simple. It's just knowing your people and knowing how to pull the best out of them. So I would say it's important just for that reason, just for allowing me to feel like I am benefiting from my job, but I'm also giving back to the place where I work. So.
Absolutely. Based on that, who can benefit from a degree in organizational leadership?
Yeah, great question. To me, I think it transcends disciplines.
Yes.
Recently we had a student. She was an undergraduate student in nursing.
Right.
I think that that made me think about my family is a family. Everybody's in healthcare, so to hear them speak about the value of leadership in their field, even as a nurse, on the floor, to be a nurse lead, it's very important.
Right.
And you regardless of what you're doing, you need a leader. You need to be able to look to somebody. So I think it transcends the discipline. You have people in education that need to be leaders. You have in those administrative roles, even to refine yourself. Even if you see yourself as somebody that's more of a follower, I still think that that's a great thing to pursue, regardless of what you got your degree